How to turn your home equity into monthly cash flow. What if I told you your home could be paying you every month? Seriously, most people don't realize they are sitting on a gold mine, their home equity. Instead of making your home equity sit idle, you can turn it into a steady stream of income. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your home's value and turn it into monthly cash flow. If you're a homeowner with built up equity but no passive income or cash flow, this video is for you. Number 2, if you're an aspiring property investor looking for your first deal, watch this video. How about this? If you're an existing landlord looking to scale, this video is for you. Number 4, if you are worried about retirement or financial security, watch this video. And lastly, watch this video if you are looking for passive income and financial freedom. The reality, equity alone doesn't make you rich, cash flow does. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until you die. That's exactly why I made this video, to show you how to make your home equity work for you instead of just sitting there. So in this video, you will learn what home equity is and how it works, how to access your equity tax-free in South Africa, and how to invest it in property to create a steady monthly income. Let's dive in. Before we get further, let's define what home equity is. Home equity is the difference between your home's market value and how much you owe on your bond. Now, let's look at two different scenarios. Example 1, middle-class homeowner. Let's assume your home is worth 1.5 million and your bond balance is 800,000. Your home equity is 700,000, which is the difference between your home value and your bond balance. You can then access up to 525,000 rand, which is 75% of the equity, and you can use that money to invest in another property. Example 2, higher-end homeowner. Let's assume this person's home is worth 5 million and the bond balance is 2 million. The home equity is 3 million. This person can access up to 2.25 million to invest in commercial property. The best part, home equity can be accessed tax-free in South Africa. You can use it to buy income-generating property that pays you every single month. Now that you understand what home equity is, let's talk about how to unlock it and turn it into monthly cash flow. Here are 4 ways to unlock the value of your property. These strategies work in South Africa and many parts of the world. Works like a credit facility. Your banks let you borrow money against your home's equity. Example, if you have 2 million equity, your bank might allow you to borrow up to 1.5 million. You can use this money to invest in another property. Number 2, cash out refinance. You refinance your bond to withdraw some of your equity. For example, if your home is worth 700,000 and you owe 300,000, you can refinance to withdraw 300,000 rand in cash. You get a lump sum to invest while keeping your home. Number 3, selling your home. Sell your home or rental property and reinvest the money into higher yielding real estate. This is ideal if your home is not generating rental income and has better investment opportunity elsewhere. Number 4, Section 13X tax benefit. SA equivalent of 1031 exchange. If you own rental properties, you can sell them and reinvest the profits while deferring capital gains tax. This is an advanced strategy, but it always allows you to grow your portfolio tax efficiently. If you want to learn how to do this, book my free consultation at PropertyAskEkow.com. Many people wait for too long before tapping into their home equity, but timing is key in real estate. Here is why now might be the right time for you. 1, interest rate fluctuates. Acting at the right time can maximize your borrowing power. 2, rental demand is rising in major cities, meaning good cash flowing properties are still available. 3, property values tend to increase over time, but the best deals won't last forever. 4, most South Africans retire broke and pension money is never enough to cover expenses. The cost of living keeps rising, but your salary won't rise fast enough to keep up. Without extra income, you will work until you physically can't keep up. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to enter the market at the right price. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. Before you unlock your home's equity, there are two things you must understand. One, equity is not free money. If you don't know how to invest wisely, leave it alone. If you're over 40, be careful. Bad investments can be hard to recover from. Get expert help before making big moves. Even without a bond, you still pay rates, taxes, insurance, maintenance, and security. Instead of just sitting on your home equity, why not use it to recover your monthly expenses? Your home is an asset if you use it right. If it's not generating income, it's just a liability that costs you every month. I tell you what, watch my video on how to refinance to learn more. It breaks it down perfectly for you. Some people hesitate to borrow against their home equity. Let's bust some common myths. I don't want more debt. I get it. No one likes debt. But here is the thing. Not all debt is bad. Using your equity to invest in property isn't like swiping your credit card. This is a strategic move that makes money work for you. 2. What if property values drop? This is a common fear, but listen, real estate investing isn't about guessing prices. It's about cash flow. If your rental income covers your cost, short-term price change don't matter. The key is buying property that pays you from day one. 3. What if I can't find tenants? Focus on high demand areas and smart property management to keep your property occupied and your income steady. Using your home equity the right way builds wealth. Ignoring it keeps you in the same place. Here is a real-world example of how to turn 1 million equity into monthly income. Let's break it down step by step with 2 different investment strategies. Example 1, large investment. You borrow 1 million from your home equity through a HELOC or refinance. You use it as a deposit for a 3.5 million apartment building of 10 units. The bank finances the remaining 2.5 million and your tenant pays the bond every month. Each unit rents 7,000 per month, giving you 70,000 in total rental income. After recovering bond payment, levies, and maintenance, you profit 10,000 rent per month. Let's look at example 2. Small investment for beginners. You borrow 350,000 from your home equity to buy a 1.2 million property or student accommodation with 5 bedrooms. You rent each bedroom for 4,000 rent per month, generating 20,000 rent total income. After cost, you profit 5,000 rent per month. Your home equity is now generating cash flow. Tenants are paying off your loan for you. You increase rent every year, growing your net worth. And 4, as your property appreciates, you can refinance and repeat the process. In just a few years, this one move could replace your salary with passive income. Okay, so maybe you don't have much equity yet. Does that mean you are out of the game? Not at all. 1. Partner with someone in a JV. Team up with a friend, a family member, or an investor who has the equity that you don't. And 2. Start small. You don't need 3 million to invest. You can get into property for under 1 million. Think student accommodation, shared rentals, or an Airbnb. Now that you've unlocked your equity, here is how to turn it into consistent monthly cash flow. Number 1, get educated and get help. Don't make the mistake of going at it alone. Enroll in my property mastery course today to learn how to invest wisely. Limited spots available for mentorship. Don't miss out. 2, pick one type of property to invest in. Successful investors focus on one asset type. Before you invest, ask yourself these 3 quick questions. 1, how much hands-on do I want? For student accommodation, more work. Storage units, less work. 2, do I want monthly cash flow or long-term appreciation? Multi-unit apartment, strong monthly income. Retail or commercial, high long-term appreciation. 3, where is demand growing? Look at areas with new developments, universities, or business hubs. Pro tip, start small with student accommodation or sectional title apartment if you are new to investing. Watch my property investment breakdown video to learn more. 3. Analyze deals and ensure cash flow. Make sure your rental income covers your bond repayment and expenses. For example, if your HELOC costs 15,000 rand per month, your investment property must generate at least 20,000 rand in rent. 4. Start making offers and take action. You can't build wealth by waiting. You need to take action. Work with an expert to find the right deals. I help my students to find off-market property investment deals. Text equity to +2760 731 4018 to learn how. Once you have successfully acquired a cash flowing property, your next step is to scale your real estate portfolio. The goal isn't just to use your equity once, it's to create a system that grows your wealth over time. 1. Use home equity to buy cash flowing property. 2. Let rental income pay down your loan and build more equity. 3. As the property appreciates, refinance and extract new equity. 4. Use the new equity to buy another property. And 5. Repeat the process until you have achieved financial freedom. This is how the wealthiest investors scale up their portfolios. Your first investment isn't just an asset, it's a stepping stone. So, why this strategy works? 1. You create monthly passive income instead of just sitting on equity. 2. You get tax benefit from rental property ownership. 3. Your tenants pay down your debts, burden more wealth. 4. Property appreciates over time, making you even richer. The best time to invest in property was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. Imagine 5 years from now. Will you still be grinding paycheck to paycheck, or will you have a property paying you every month? The choice is yours, but here's the truth. If you don't take action today, nothing will change. Know someone who needs to hear this? Share this video with a friend, a family member, or your WhatsApp group. Hit the like button and don't keep this info to yourself. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Want mentorship? Join my property mastering program. Apply via the link below. Your home equity should be working for you. Let's build wealth. Let's build a legacy. Be a legacy builder. Share this video with someone who needs to see this info. See you in the next video. Peace.